Hello everybody, I got another little tip for you I want to share about dog-friendly backyards. Now, people call me constantly, especially as we're moving closer to the fall months, and they're like, please help, what can we do to create a dog-friendly space where our dog's going to come out, enjoy their time, but then not come in and just provide so much mud for the house. So look behind me. What we've done here is we've created an area with no lawn. So if you're thinking about a lawn, this might not be the right tip for you, but really this is a nice solution. The homeowner loves it for their two large dogs. So they come out, they have their destination to go to the bathroom at, but really it's an easy clean with the pea gravel. So they have pea gravel on the sides, then they have designated pathways, and then they have some river rock, some large 2 to 5 inch river rock as kind of specimen. So we have that here. We also have it along the flower bed in the back. So the whole yard is a river rock or a rock garden of some sort. And so you can really maximize no muddy paws by doing this. So something to think about. A lot of people really like this solution, but I hope that resonates with you, and I hope that this is a direction you might want to go. So. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip on dog-friendly outdoor spaces. You don't need to go too crazy. You don't need to spend a bunch of money. This is a very inexpensive way. It's just river rock, gravel, and pea gravel, and you have a dog-friendly space. All right, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.